how is it in the industry, in the film industry and all? Like, do they give women space? Do they give space to grow? How have you seen it behind the camera?
It's a shit show. Yeah, because the thing is, it's of course worse for women, but nobody is given space to do anything. Accountability is not there, right? I have been the perpetrator and also the victim of all of this. I
Yeah.
can tell you this because I have done shit, and I can tell you this because I've taken shit, right?
Yeah.
So, therefore, I feel that this entire thing of saying passion and drive and justifying, justifying toxic work thingy, like work practices, and qualifying them as that is not true.
Yeah.
Passion should be voluntary.
Absolutely.
If you're imposing a certain kind of, uh, you know, uh, work culture on somebody else and expecting everybody to show up the same way, then that is not passion. That is just you being autocratic and wanting to make more money. We glorify sleep deprivation. We glorify terrible working hours. We glorify terrible working conditions. Like I'm myself an older person, but you will never find me telling someone that, हमारे टाइम में हम लोग तो बस एक ही ब्रेक मिलता था हमें, हम ये करते थे। क्यों मिलता था? तुम एक्सप्लॉइटेड हो, तुम क्यों एक्सप्लॉइट कर रहे हो किसी और को? इफ दे हैव अ बेटर लाइफ, द
Oh.
other thing that people do is when they're starting out in their career, they keep on cribbing about how unjust the world is. Ye ho raha hai, wo ho raha hai, I'm getting exploited, this is happening, people are not paying me. But the moment they come into power, they do the same things. हम लोग कहीं भी जाते हैं, हम बस चाय पे चर्चा करनी शुरू कर देते हैं, बिचिंग शुरू हो जाती है। इट्स लाइक काम तो कर लो
This is
पहले।
what you're getting paid for.
Yeah, I mean, I'm saying, okay, you're a person, you're not resourceful, you're not even driven, but you're getting paid, so at least do the basic minimum. Don't be that person who does extra. मत करो. But तुम एक salary ले रहे हो.
Yeah.
I don't feel it's empathy to turn around and ask your colleague कि तूने खाना खाया है कि नहीं, are you this thing? I think these are fake things. I think real empathy is when you do your work really well and make sure that people that you work with don't have to carry your burden. That there are 10 people working in a team. If everybody did their job, that is empathy enough. सब लोग घर पे टाइम से चले जाएंगे. किसी को किसी के लिए एक्स्ट्रा काम नहीं करना पड़ेगा. That is real showing up. And not these questions ki, acha, have you eaten? And,
I
oh
love that.
God,
I love
she's
that.
a bitch, he's a bastard. They are doing this to you. They're exploiting you, your talent. I'm like, bas karo, kaam karo aur bahar jao and live your life.
This is work-life balance.
Yeah,
No, I fully
but
get that.
there are also practices. Our work practices are really shot to shit. You're creating managers who are driven insane by the kind of demands you have. Like half the people are not looking at it. They are passing on trauma to everybody else that they are working with.